humankind derived tech. Then tech derived humankind. Now tech will reinvent humankind. 80 के दशक में हम पर्सनल कंप्यूटर्स यूज करते थे. 90s में धीरूभाई अंबानी said, communication will be the next big business. 20s communication rocked the market. 2010 tech drastically changed our lifestyle, and it became a big business with companies like Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, etc. 2020 decade is becoming more interesting with technology like AI. In fact, tech is impacting us, our lifestyle, as well as our environment drastically. Do you know about Nvidia Corporations? It is an AI and tech development company. Now, its market cap is touching to the level of Microsoft. 2030 tak, gadgets will be a part of our body, just like jewelry. By 2040, size of these gadgets would be even smaller, and they will be fitted to our body organs. Tech waves will travel in our body like oxygen. We will witness more development, like advancement in hydrogen cars, flying cars, brain implantation, and flying travel. By 2050, we may travel to space. We may experience augmented reality, quantum computing, robotic service, hyperloops, etc. Can we exist without technology? Absolutely not. Positively, we cannot even think our lives without technology. Technology is like our ears, our eyes, our nose, our mouth. Technology is everything for us. But negatively, technology is killing us.
30 days बैक एज यूजुअल 9:30 को जैसे ही मैंने लैपटॉप ऑन किया और चार्जिंग केबल को प्लग इन किया और जैसे ही लैपटॉप ऑन हुआ मुझे मेरी बॉडी के हर सेल में वाइब्रेशन की फीलिंग आनी स्टार्ट हो गई. मैं 1 मिनट से ज़्यादा लैपटॉप के साथ नहीं बैठ पाया और मुझे अपना स्पेस छोड़ना पड़ा. आफ्टर दैट फॉर 45 मिनट्स आई प्रैक्टिस डिफरेंट मेडिटेशन टेक्निक्स. Then I was able to again sit with the laptop. अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो, how you will cope up?
Means 24 hours in a day, tech or tech waves are constantly covering us. So now, let us understand how technology will affect us. We are constantly evolved around EMF waves of tech devices such as laptops, mobile phones, smartwatches, television, and many other electronic appliances. These all generate 3 levels of radiations. These radiations are declared toxic by WHO and can cause certain cancers. These devices emit EMF, especially laptops. Laptops emit 40 to 100 milligauss, which is 40 to 100 times higher than the standard limit of EMF exposure. The older the laptop, more is the emission of EMF. These radiations cause harmful impact on sleep, body tissues, fertility, etc. Using laptops on lap, creates a harmful impact in both male and female reproductive organs. It also affects birth and sperm's quality. These emissions weak down nerves, body cells, and other body organs, such as ears, eyes, muscles, brain, etc. These radiations can also cause sophisticated genetic issues in newborns. Humankind life cycle has already decreased from 90 years to 60 to 70 years due to technological and lifestyle changes. Then, what next? Will it further reduce? In our next video, we will discuss how tech will reinvent humankind. Although it has already reinvented our lifestyle. Thank you.